ExamMaker AI is a brand new tool that's been making waves in the world of AI software. And in this review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you've been curious about what makes this software stand out, stay tuned because we're going to dive deep into its features, pros, cons, and whether it's truly worth your time. First off, ExamMaker AI is designed to help educators, trainers, and businesses create custom quizzes and exams in minutes. You simply input the subjects and topics you want to test on, and the AI generates detailed and contextually relevant questions for you. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to quickly produce assessments but doesn't have the time or resources to create them manually. One of the standout features of ExamMaker AI is how it tailors its questions to different difficulty levels. Whether you're designing an entry-level quiz or a highly specialized exam, the software adjusts the complexity of the questions based on your input. This flexibility is key for anyone creating exams for a variety of skill levels or learning stages. Another highlight is the variety of question types the software supports. You're not limited to just multiple choice questions. ExamMaker AI can create true-false questions, short answers, and even essay-style questions, making it incredibly versatile. This means you can create a well-rounded exam that tests knowledge in different ways, which is perfect for teachers and trainers who want to evaluate more than just surface-level understanding. What I love about ExamMaker AI is the time-saving potential. In less than a few minutes, you can generate a complete exam, which means you can focus more on teaching or training rather than spending hours drafting questions. The tool even allows you to set specific parameters for how many questions you want and what topics you want them to focus on, so you're always in control. But the best part, you can try ExamMaker AI for completely free through the link in the description below. So if you're intrigued by this software so far, make sure to check it out for yourself and see how it can work for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Of course, like any software, there are a few things to consider. While ExamMaker AI is super powerful, it's not perfect. For example, the AI sometimes generates questions that may feel a bit too generic or not tailored exactly to your expectations. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind as you refine your exam content. Additionally, ExamMaker AI works best when you have a clear idea of what you want the exam to cover. If you're too vague, the AI may not hit the mark with the questions. But if you input well-defined topics, you'll see much better results. The pricing model is another thing to consider. While there is a free version, the full potential of ExamMaker AI is unlocked with a paid plan. However, for the price, it offers great value, especially for businesses or educational institutions that need to create exams regularly. One of the coolest features that not many people talk about is its ability to analyze the exams it creates. After you generate your questions, ExamMaker AI can give you feedback on whether the exam is balanced in terms of difficulty and subject coverage. It's a really useful feature if you want to ensure your exam is fair and comprehensive. To sum it up, ExamMaker AI is a revolutionary tool for anyone needing to quickly and efficiently create exams. The ability to customize, the variety of question types, and the overall time-saving potential make it a must-try if you're involved in education or training. If you've ever struggled with creating exams from scratch, this software could seriously change the way you work. Now, after trying thousands of AI software tools myself, I can confidently say that ExamMaker AI is one of the most efficient and practical options out there. You can find my recommended AI software tools in the description below, so make sure to check them out and try them for free. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to improve your workflow.